Hey guys, welcome back to Napturalx2. My name is Kalila and I make curly hair videos with my cousin Renee every week. From the title, you probably already know what today's video is about, but honestly, I almost didn't release this video just because when I did my hair, I was like, oh, this is bomb. I went out, my hair was popping, and then a day passed, and then another day passed. And then another day passed and I still had white stuff at the end of my hair. You can still see it right now. So to refresh my hair today, I just kind of put it up, wet it with my water, and you can still see that white residue. So at first I thought this was a wash and go, like a home run, but now I must admit it might have been a hit and run. If you're interested in seeing how this wash and go home run kind of turned into a hit and run, keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more hair videos and click that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you guys know, I've been kind of searching for the perfect products for a wash and go, and I stumbled upon this guy, the Maui Moisture Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie, and I was like, okay, this looks like a thick, a thick cream. Maybe this will clump my curls together, get my hair looking right. And so I actually did a wash and go with this guy, and as soon as I put it on my hair, I knew it wouldn't be enough hold for a nice wash and go. So I used it in combination with my Wetline Extreme Gel, of course, and it gave me okay results, but they weren't the best, So my roots were very puffy, but my ends were curled, and that's a look in itself, but it's not the look that I wanted. So I was at CVS probably. I had like $7 extra, and so I was like, well, why not pick up this Jamaican black castor oil lotion that I've heard so much about. And so I picked this up and I came home and I was like, okay, let's give this a try. And so I applied it to my strands, and as you can see in the footage, it gave me some curl and some definition, but I knew it wasn't going to be enough. And then the light bulb clicked in my head and I was like, I have this guy, so let's try to combine the two and see what we get. And so I would prime my strands with this guy and then go over it with this, and immediately I could see my curls started popping and clumping together. So I was like, okay, maybe this might be a holy grail. But honestly, I had to go out that night and I was a little afraid that my hair was gonna flop, and so I still went with a third layer, so with my Wetline Extreme Gel. And honestly, as I was doing my hair looked really good. Like, you can see my curls are defined, and not only are they defined, but they're elongated. So, I applied all three to my strands. ends, and then I went in and dried it with my blow dryer. And I got it just dry enough so that I could go out that night just because I was running late. And so, you know, I head out, I have a great time, my hair looks good in all the mirrors, I'm like feeling myself. I get home, you know, just throw my bonnet on. I was really tired. I got up the next day and looked at my hair. That's when I saw it. On the ends, the white residue. So even though my curls were popping and they were elongated and they looked great, they also had white residue, especially on the ends of the curl. And so I don't know, I might give this combination a try again, and maybe my hair wasn't wet enough to absorb all the product, or maybe I even used too much product. So I don't know, guys. I really loved the way my hair looked. I just didn't like the residue. And you know, now it's day 4 of having my hair done with these products, and Flake City. Like, I comb my hair, there's flakes everywhere. I wet my hair, you can see the white residue. So I don't know, guys. Honestly, I loved how this wash and go looked initially, but with the flakes and with it not lasting and with the white residue, I don't know if this product combo is the right one for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep looking for the best wash and go. I might just try these two alone, or I might try these two again, but just with less product. We'll see. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for a video from Renee next week. Bye guys.